Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your deleted notes on iPhone. It's pretty simple. Just open up your notes and from inside notes, you want to click on folder at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on folder, it's going to bring you over here. Now we want to click on recently deleted. And if you had deleted your note within 30 days, it's going to be stored over here. Now you can select whichever note you want to recover and then you just want to click on move. Once you click on move, this note is going to be moved inside your notes folder. Alright, so this thing can only be done if you have not spent 30 days. By that I mean if you delete a note, you can recover it for 30 days. If your 30 days has passed, or like if you have gone past through 30 days, not going to be available in recently deleted. In that case, you need to go to your browser, and on your browser you just want to search for iCloud.com. After you search for iCloud.com, you need to log in into your iCloud account. And once you log in into your iCloud account, scroll a bit down and you will see notes. Click on notes, and every single note which was saved on your iCloud is going to be displayed. And you just have to check if the note which you deleted is still backed up over here on your iCloud. So that is how you guys can find your deleted, or how you guys can recover your deleted notes on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.